Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a student group generator. So we're going to do this all through Classroom Screen, and you want to go to classroomscreen.com. The first step that you're going to want to do is to create an account. If you have an account, that's great. If you don't have an account, please make sure to sign up for a Classroom Screen account. If you're not familiar with Classroom Screen, you can watch the video that you should see in the top corner of your screen right now, and you can learn all of the basics in another video that I've created. So let's go ahead and log into Classroom Screen. So once you're logged into Classroom Screen, you'll probably see a screen that looks like this. What we'll want to do first is click the Home button to get to our dashboard, and we're going to want to choose this option on the side that says Personalize. If you scroll down, you'll see this section that says Name Lists, and you'll see that name lists work with the group maker and the random name widget. So all you do is just type all of the individual students, one name per line in the section. Now, if you have the free version of Classroom Screen, it will let you save one list at a time. If you want more than one list, you'll have to upgrade to the premium version, but again, that is in the video that you see on your screen. So now that we have this set, all we're going to do is go back to My Screens, and we're going to choose this option that says Add Group Maker, and then Open. Okay, so now you'll notice I have this widget on my screen. My student list is loaded right over here. If you have other student lists, again, you can load those in this area. You can see 15 out of a maximum of 100 students I'm able to group. And if I select the next step, it now will allow me to configure my group. So I'm going to say 3 groups of 5 students each. You can see that that automatically adjusted. And once I'm ready, I'm going to create my groups. Perfect. So I've got my 3 groups. I've got students here. You'll see on here that I can change the name of the groups if I want to. I can't really change the color. That's just done automatically. Some other things that I can do is it will allow me to move students from one group to another after this is finished in the event that you want to place certain kids with other students. But hopefully this will give you an idea if you ever need to just randomly create students in a group, or if you want to strategically place them in a group and showcase this in front of your classroom so students can see the group that they belong into. I'd highly recommend going to classroomscreen.com and creating an account. So if you have any questions on Classroom Screen or this group maker, feel free to leave a question in the comments section below. And if you like this content, it would be great if you could subscribe to this channel. Thanks and have a great day.